Hello everyone. So today, my next session would be how we can create EC2 instance in the Terraform. However, before that, like if you see my the playlist inside, wait a second, I will show you. I already create a how to create a user in IAM. So if you have a AWS account, so you just need to go and grab the opportunity to create a IAM user, and from there you need to get access key, which is very essential, and we need it further when we are using the Terraform to because we need a AWS CL access, and that is a prerequisite. So we just need to do one thing. Let's create a folder and put it name Terraform. So open that folder, and so once we open the folder, we just need to right click on the open terminal. So I just because already, as like previous video I told, like I'm assuming you must have a Visual Studio downloaded in your system. If not, then you can ask basically how to download Visual Studio Code in the Windows, and it will give you instruction and link as well. See, this is a link where the Visual Studio Code it is the download for Windows. So it's very easy. It's like you just need to go with flow, and the process is very straightforward. There's nothing like more like uh, there's basically the structure is not cumbersome. It's very easy. Just once you have it installed, make sure you have this extension enabled. So extensions, which let me show you where you will get it. So this is the extension. So here you just need to go and write terraform boom. So as this one came in, you just need to, as already my is enabled, so for this you must first time if you doing, then it is enabled, you need to do it. And similar thing is with Python, because sometimes we just for sake of browsing, if we need to browse an URL something, like we need to use the Python as well. What else? So in the JavaScript is optional. We are not going to do any like no Node.js thing, so that's why like I'm skipping for now. But same thing, like in the extension, you need to go and just do it. Let's make a file. I always prefer to go with main.tf, and as already we have the script. This is our first EC2 instant configuration script. I just copy paste there, and if you just save here, okay. And one thing, like before that, just make sure, as I told, like you already, I assuming you have IAM access key with you, and you can use this command AWS configure to check like that key, as like you have a key, it must have access key ID, you put it there, enter, put it access key. As I put it C central one, because I'm in Canada region, so that's why I put it. If you are in like another country, so just put it that. Just check it which all the option you have it, put it that, and that's it. So it means you are good with the whatever script, like you're going to run, that resource is going to build inside that particular EU, and we just need to also alter the information accordingly. So let's go with the flow. So here specify the provider AWS, but here I am not in USA, so I just need to alter this CS enter 1, define ec2 instance. I want this. The AMI is little tricky. You just need to basically see like according to your region which one is latest, and as already I went to into the my AWS account, and over there I copy it and I keep it with me. It's here. Let me just control. I will put it directly there. So just need to you need to go inside your AWS account, and over there you need to grab the this AMI ID from the server, and as I get it for G2 micro itself, so that's okay. The key pair, so this is a little tricky. So this key pair you must need to install inside the AWS account. Let me go and show you like how. So I just want to show you the key pair. So here you see the key pair. You just need to go in your AWS account. There you just need to create a new key pair. As already as I put a Docker, so I had this key pair there, and that's why I put it there. That, and you must need to download, and that's why you can able to use this key pair. And apart from that, which I show you the Amazon AMI ID from here itself, like when you browse a little down. So let me show you. So here see, this is all is there, different operating system. As I uses this AMI, and this is AMI which I from here I got it. That was before, like it was I took it before that, but this later one is this. But still that I already checked it, which I am using here. It's in working condition, so that's we are okay. And so as we have this key name is there. Just one thing, make sure you must have the this key should be in same directory here. So as we don't have, so just copy like wherever, because it I have in my downloads. I will copy and paste here in this detective folder. But let me just go with flow, and we can do this later as well. And here we have the set up the VPC security. My tag name I put my C2 instance, and security group to allow I put it the from port 2020, because as such I want to ingress to for my TCP. I put it allow everyone. You can put your setup block or range, or your my IP itself. Egress I want everyone outbound role to be open, and pretty much this all the things. Just key concept is I just need to copy and paste the docker.pem file. Just give me a second. So it's done already. I put it the uh, in the folder. If you see, okay, I put it. Check it. So I put it main.tf desktop, the docker.pem file is there. Yes, there, docker.pem file. This is, I just need to refresh it. Yeah, so docker.pem and main.tf. So we are good at this end. We just now need to execute. One thing is like, I know it's like too much information is there, but like when we go in further classes, I will basically make a more like a robust manner. It's just providing the information in different files, such as this provider information. I don't want to be in this folder, so basically I just copy paste cut it from here. And I'm giving an example just like, because I don't like to be too much information, and especially if we know like this is we are using too much. So That's why like I want to run that in different I want to keep it in different folders so that we can use later. And also if we just look into the other other information such as like this one is in resource with that's fine. Resources are we can put in single file and we can able to, because this one is just we are using always to alter. This one is default, always keep it as it's supposed to be. And one thing I forget to put in here, as we are using terraform, so here in the provider itself we need to provide this information. Terraform required provider is AWS, HashiCorp, AWS, and version 1.5. Might be when you're listening this, so the version will be different, but it doesn't matter. Uh, Past versions also work, so that's fine. So, firstly, to start the process, we always go with Terraform init. So it will initialize and install all the binaries and prerequisite. So we just need to wait until we have the see .terraform folder. This folder I am talking about, it must be there, which has the all the information related to our AWS and the after the Terraform in it only the we can able to perform other steps. So that's why this when only first time when you are doing it will take some time to get it done. After then when you once you have this folder set everything, then it is there and you just need to just make a new resources, more files, and then you just go with the techly with the terraform plan and execute. But the only initial first time it will take a couple of minutes and then it will be good to go in future. So as you can see here now, this is done, as it shows me the log file. So this was generated once the initialization has been done, and now we are good with the, so this will give you the license and this exe file, and the main is HCL file, which has says like the version and all other information related to Terraform itself. So which is just like initial mandate steps to follow. And after then, of course, we have the Terraform plan command, which will show us it will show so many things, but over there we what all the things we already define here, we just need to see and rectify those are matching and it is up to date, then only, because we don't want any kind of things we skip and after then we need to again deploy it. So you see here port 22 is there, TCP, the site of block is there in ingress, similar in egress we put it in -1 0 all for public access. If we go further, tag is there, the key name docker is there, so mi which we use it, so everything is seems like good. uh, so we just need to do terraform plan to execute auto approve. In auto approve it won't ask you to say show you again this all the things and say enter the value yes. Otherwise if you don't put auto approve, you just put terraform apply enter and it will say yes for your for permission. It will ask you permission and you say yes and it will execute. Auto approve you just single command and after then as you see like the process is going on, then they are building these things which is apply and complete. It's so fast and we can be able to see, we go inside ec2 running, See, our my ec2 is a tag name which we already put it there. We go inside, we can see our security. We just want to show you the see port 22 is open, TCP the for public access. So everything looks good from this end. And yeah, major thing, one thing I forgot you mentioned, I want to mention specific TF state file. This is a state file which I was talking. I know that time you didn't get it, like what I am talking about. It wasn't in the Hebrew language, whatever I was saying, but that is the state file which is very important, which provides you all the information related to resource. And that is you must need it for, like, if you're importing the same kind of state in other OUs, or use the organization units, or like in AWS you have you can set up as many OUs in different regions. So that's why this state file is essential to see which resources are available and has been set up through Terraform. And that is, like, I know, quite big, but you must need it for sure. And that's why I was saying, like, and we need to use it. So we need to see, like, how we can able to get that access in the AWS instance. So we just go connect. We just copy the SSH. Here we just Docker pam is there. EC2 user center. Yes. Hey, who am I? EC2 user, IP address, config. Oh, I think we need to change so. Here we just need to. We are inside our directory ct/etc. Easy. So we can see, like, this is our Linux server, which where we are, and we can able to perform all different kind of activities, such as, like, top. So see, like, how our server is performing, and if config, it will show you, like, your all the information related to in and out, and the IP address. So, like, so that we can able to uh, see, like, how the major this server is doing, and performing different activities. So, and also, if you want to also associate the with this IP with this server, the elastic IP address, then we just need to associate the eip.tf resource. We can make different file as well, or we can just add on the resource eip. I will show you later. That also we need to see, like, how it works, and we can able to attach, rather than like public IP always, we can attach eip. So that was, like, our task for today is done. So we have the logout. So we our instance is running and up, and we can able to see the configuration. So thank you, guys.